Hello everyone, is your MacBook app keep crashing again and again? Don't worry, there are a few simple ways to fix the problem. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy methods that can help stop apps from crashing. Let's get started. Method 1. Update your Mac and app. First, check if your MacBook and the app are updated. Go to Apple menu, then open System Setting, click General and select Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Also check App Store and update the app if a new version is available. Sometimes an old map or old macOS can cause apps to crash. Method 2. Force quit and restart. If the app is frozen or not responding, try force quit it. Press Command plus Option plus Escape on your keyboard. Select the app that is not working and click force quit it. Now go to Apple menu. If it still crashes, restart your MacBook. A simple restart can fix many temporary problems. Method 3. Check your storage. Low storage can also cause apps to crash. To check your storage, go to Apple menu, open System Setting and click General. Then select Storage. If your Mac is almost full, delete files, downloads, or apps that you no longer need. Try to keep some free space on your MacBook. So, these are 3 simple ways to fix MacBook app that keep crashing. First, update your Mac and app. Second, force quit the app and restart your Mac. And third, check and free up storage. Try these methods one by one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple MacBook tips.